Folks, this is the cargo carpet that was in the back of that Pathfinder, and that's after I spent an hour on it with dishwashing detergent and laundry detergent, and it still looks like that. And go figure, the part there where where all the rust was in the floor, that's where there's no loop left on the carpet. Wonder why that rust came from the inside. But anyway, I'm gonna toss this in the dumpster, and when time comes to finish the cargo space interior, I'll either do a replacement carpet or something a little bit more low budget. Stay tuned.